Hi, I'm professional organizer Colette Robicheau, and I'm here to talk to you today about some small space solutions. Many of us are downsizing, living in condos, apartments, and we're looking for something that can help us maximize our space. So now we're going to look at the NeatFreak 2-tier vertical sorter and take a look at these wonderful comfort handles with the tote, and they're easy to use with just one hand. The capacity is large. You could get up to 2 loads in this. And the beauty of this bag is when you get to the laundry room, it actually stands on its own, which is absolutely fabulous. When you're finished your laundry, it easily collapses and stores in a small space. As with most NeatFreak products, they think about functionality. So when the tote is off, you can use this to dry your clothes. Also, thinking outside of the box, the other tote can make a really great toy box as well. For other neat home organization products, visit neatfreak.com.